Good morning, ABC crew. And we are going to cook some breakfast this morning. And I think we're going to have chicken and waffles. So follow along with me as I prepare breakfast for my family.
First in the morning, I'm making waffles.
Okay guys, I'm just putting regular flour in this bowl, and that is to season my chicken. And that's all I'm doing. I'm not going to put a lot of stuff on my chicken. I'm just going to do old school because this is breakfast. And I'm just going to use salt and pepper. So now I'm just going to put salt and pepper on this chicken. And I'll put enough on there so I can season the whole thing. I know you all used to me putting a lot of stuff on my chicken, but today just salt and pepper. That's it to get it ready. So here we go. These look so good. I'm going to put the last batch on and start preparing the waffles. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to put some waffles in the oven. So yes, they are store-bought waffles, but guess what? We're going to eat them just the same. I got my oven set to 450 degrees, and we're gonna put these in there until they are brown, and I'll tell you how long it took when I take it out. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so it has a little brown in color in here. It only took about 4 minutes on each side. So let's plate these up. Now it's time for the eggs. Okay, and I'm going to put a little pepper, a little salt, white salt, and I'll put my evaporated milk. And I'll see you at the stove. We're back with these eggs, and this is how I make my eggs nice and fluffy. I just keep moving them around. Try not to let them get a chance to sit, only for a few seconds to cook. See how they're getting thick now? And all I'm doing is just moving them around evenly. Okay, they're almost there. Time to meet you at the table. And our morning breakfast is done. Chicken and waffles at Aunt B's Kitchen. So listen, if this video has made you hungry and want to get up and cook some breakfast, then like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell all of your friends what I'm doing here in Aunt B's Kitchen. May you have peace and have a nice day.